It all began with a gift from my father. A humble personal computer that forever changed my life. In a room filled with curiosity and comfort, there lies the gateway to boundless knowledge. The very same computer. As the screen flickers to life, a journey begins. A journey into the vast expanse of knowledge. Through this digital world, I embark on a journey of wonder and amazement, unlocking the secrets of the universe. Every discovery fills me with awe and excitement, driving me to keep pushing the boundaries of my understanding. I find myself not alone but surrounded by fellow seekers, forming connections in this digital realm, sharing our passions, and enriching one another. Yet, the path to knowledge is not always easy. Challenges arise, but with determination and perseverance, I conquer every obstacle. And then, it happens. That magical eureka moment when clarity dawns, and the pieces of the puzzle fall into place. I am not satisfied with standing still. With every endeavor, my library of understanding expands, as I delve into the endless ocean of learning. And now, as I gently close this gateway, I smile, knowing that even in the smallest of moments, learning brings joy and fulfillment.